Tell me what it would do for you if you could master every single yoga pose and reap its full benefits and feel the difference in your yoga practice. If you master all the asanas properly, then you will be able to see the difference in your body alignment, your posture, your breathing capability, flexibility, strength, focus, and mental attitude. Keeping this in mind, I am starting the yoga series of mastering one single asana, its benefits, alignment, and tips, and specifically who should not be doing those asanas. If you learn to master a single asana properly, you will see that you are able to move better in sense that your body is behaving better, your breath is getting synchronized with your body movement, the posture is opening up, your breathing capability is becoming better, and also the flexibility and strength starts to step up every time you're practicing these asanas. Every week, I will be unlocking one yogic posture for you, one asana that you can master, reap its benefits, feel the difference in your body, and also learn how to do it correctly, align your body and breath, and also give you certain tips on how you can improve the depth of the asana and also for people who should not be doing this asana. And today, I am going to unlock for you Utsrasana or the camel pose. Utsrasana is a pose which is a back bent pose. It helps to open your full front body, especially your chest, and helps you unlock your Anahata chakra, which is your heart chakra. This helps you to open up all your negative feelings, throw them out of your system, remove anxiety from your system, helps asthma, helps you to breathe better, and also any chest related problems, it will help to cure you. Imagine this one asana that can help you with your respiratory system, your circulatory system, the endocrine system, the nervous system, and also help you balance your full body. What a magical asana this is. So today we are going to learn in depth on how to do this asana right, and please include this in your routine. It's a magical asana to balance your full body. Namaste. My name is Sandhya Abhichandani and I'm a yoga and fitness coach. I would request you to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Please see this video till the end and feel and reap the benefits of doing this asana. And then once you've practiced it, please put in your comments into the comment box, and I would love to listen from you what I could change for you or which asana you would like me to do for you. So let's learn Utsrasana and feel the magical change in the body. I'm going to teach you this asana step by step. Is how to start this asana, how you can align your body, what mistakes you should not be doing, how you have to breathe and synchronize your movements, and how you should be holding your breath. And while I'm doing this asana, I'm going to explain to you the physical and the emotional benefits that this asana is going to give you. Well, before I start the video, let me tell you who should not be doing these asanas. If you have a very bad back pain, avoid it. If you have a knee issue, don't do it. If also you've had any kind of surgery or there's an abdomen ulcer, please do not do this. If you have a very bad high blood pressure, avoid this asana. The starting point of this asana is kneel down on your knees with a hip width distance. So measure yourself, align your back, make it straight. Put your toes on the floor. Put your hands and palms on your back with your fingers facing downwards. So inhale. Once you inhale, take a back bend. Exhale. Hold your heels. And here hold your breath for 6 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly release. Inhale. And exhale down. I'm going to show you this asana again. And this time I'm going to explain to you what benefits you're going to get while you're in this pose. And secondly, what you should avoid while getting into this asana. Be on your knees. Take a 1 foot distance. Put your toes on the ground. Now see that you do not bending your back or collapsing your hips. That's a wrong posture. Keep yourself aligned and straight. And see that your shoulders, your waist, and your hips are aligned in one line. When you're going back, don't collapse your neck. See that it is in a straight position. And if you cannot go down and hold your heels, it's okay to be in this position and do this asana till you improve your flexibility. So don't overstretch your muscles. You could get into some kind of pain. Inhale. Bend back. Hold your heels. Exhale here and hold. Now, if you see this posture, you will see that your neck is getting stretched, and you can see that the thyroid gland is getting activated, so it balances your thyroid secretions. Then you can see all the blood rush to your head. It improves your aging lines and it helps to keep you young. Opens out your entire front chest. So this helps your asthma, bronchitis, and releases all the tension. Your lower lumbar back gets flexible and you can lose the pain. Your legs, quadriceps get tightened, strengthened. Your heels, calves, toes are completely full of strength and flexibility. And if you see, your reproductive organs are getting massaged, the circulation is improving, the respiration is improving, the endocrine system is also changing. And slowly inhale and come back. And rest here. Feel the energy. Feel the relaxation. Feel your body aligned. Feel the synchronization of your breath with your body. And feel the healing of this asana. A small tip before you do Ustrasana, do a few stretches, bend your back backwards, or you can see my video on back strengthening and flexibility. I've given the link in the description below. Do a few of those asanas and then start the Ustra asana. A small little tip again. Once you're doing this asana, concentrate on the form, synchronization of your breath with your movement, and then slowly go deeper as you improve your practice so that you do not have any kind of overstretching in the body. Isn't this asana so beautiful? Imagine one asana that can help you improve your reproductive organs, your abdominal health, your chest health, your thyroid gland, your facial flexibility, keep you younger, improve the strength of your quadriceps. Rounded shoulders could go away. Your shoulder and posture could get better. Your lower back could get a lovely stretch. And overall flexibility is superb. Try and do this asana, at least start with 3 times and then you can go up to 5 times. Do this asana every day and feel the difference. So be like a camel, very strong in the desert, goes without food for many days, withstands the dust and the sandstorms, is able to put himself and walk through the sand with strong legs, and also the abdomen digestion power is superb. All these benefits your body could get. So do the Ustrasana, be as strong as a camel, and enjoy your life. Namaste. Thank you for listening. Wait until for my next video, wherein I'm going to teach you one more asana.